Let's talk about using AI ethically. AI tools are everywhere now, and they can be really helpful, but there are a few things you need to know about using AI for your assignments. We're going to look at both ethical and unethical AI use in this video. But don't forget, AI use is always unethical if your instructor forbids it. It gives you an unfair advantage over your classmates. It can also affect your learning outcomes for the course. What does that mean? Well, before I explain, remember this. College isn't just something to get through. It's an opportunity to build skills that will make the rest of your life easier. These skills include critical thinking, problem solving, independent research, and effective communication, among others. And these aren't just skills you need during your education, you'll need them in your career. If you don't develop them now, you may struggle later. While AI can be a valuable tool when used responsibly, over-reliance on it prevents you from fully developing these essential skills. So let's talk about learning outcomes. Your instructors design assignments with learning outcomes in mind. They know exactly which skills they're trying to help you improve with each assignment. They also know when AI would undermine those skills. Following their AI guidance ensures that you build the knowledge and experience you need. It also prepares you for your career, where ethical decision-making, adaptability, and personal effort are critical to success. It's important to think of AI as an aid, not a shortcut. If you keep this idea in mind, you'll find it easier to use AI ethically. Let's look at some examples. If you're writing a research paper, AI can be an aid by helping you generate topic ideas or suggesting keywords for database searches. But using AI as a shortcut, having it generate the entire paper, bypasses the research and writing process, preventing you from developing critical thinking and argument-building skills. If you're structuring an argumentative essay, AI can be an aid by suggesting an outline to organize your points. But using AI as a shortcut, having it construct the full argument for you, bypasses the reasoning and writing process, preventing you from developing strong analytical and communication skills. If you need help understanding a dense article, AI can be an aid by providing a rough summary to help you understand key points. But using AI as a shortcut, having it generate a discussion board post for you, bypasses the reading and analysis process, preventing you from developing comprehension and critical evaluation skills. If you're preparing for an exam, AI can be an aid by creating flashcards or quiz questions to reinforce your knowledge. But using AI as a shortcut, having it generate answers during the exam, bypasses the recall and problem-solving process, preventing you from retaining information and applying concepts on your own. If you're coding a project, AI can be an aid by explaining errors or suggesting fixes. But using AI as a shortcut, having it generate code for you, bypasses the problem-solving and troubleshooting process, preventing you from developing programming and debugging skills. In all of these examples, using AI as an aid supports you, but using it as a shortcut harms you, and it can lead to behavior that crosses ethical lines or constitutes outright cheating. Before you use AI, ask yourself, is it helping me learn or is it doing the work for me? Learning is about growth, not just getting things done. Every time you use AI as a shortcut, you miss an opportunity to develop skills that will serve you long after graduation. When AI is allowed, use it wisely, and don't cheat yourself by taking the shortcut.